Okay, so we will discuss today the verb tener. This verb has many different uses when we can use it for example, to say what other or you have, and also for common expressions. Basically, it's like it's a verb of possession. So let's see the conjugations first, because this is a very important part of using a verb. Here, so this is the conjugations, meaning I have, yo tengo, tú tienes, you have, él, ella, usted tiene. So he, she, or usted has. Nosotros tenemos, we have. Vosotros tenéis, this is in Spain. Ellos, ellas, ustedes tienen. So they or you guys have. It's irregular also in the first person singular. Tengo. Okay, so let's see when we use it. For example, meaning possession, like when we have friends. Tengo muchos amigos. I have a lot of friends. Also, when we have to do something. These are the most common uses of the verb tener. So the second one is when we have to do something like an activity that we have to do. So, tenemos que estudiar. We have to study. Something that we have to do. And also it's used with common expressions that in English normally we would use the verb to be. In Spanish we use the verb tener, to have. And so, for example, ¿tienes hambre? Are you hungry? No, pero tengo frío. No, but I'm cold. Tenemos prisa. We are in a hurry. So different conjugations of the verb tener. Okay, let's review this. When we have to do something. Tener que. Tienes que ir a clase. So it's often referring to what someone needs to do. Is pretty much an obligation or a prior commitment. ¿Tienes que estudiar? No, pero tengo que escribir un ensayo. Tenemos que ayudar a mis padres. With sensations, when we are, for example, hungry, sleepy, thirsty. Okay? So these are the sensations that we will use the verb tener. Tener años, that's the first one. This is not a sensation, but it's like when the years, the amount of years that we have, that we are in general. In English, of course, we use the verb to be, like I am 80, I am 5 years old, right? We use the verb to be. In Spanish, we're going to use the verb tener. So, ¿cuántos años tienes? And then, yo tengo 19. So she's asking, how old are you? And he's answering, I am 19. Tengo 19. Always with age. We always use the verb tener with age. Tener calor. This is a sensation now. These are all sensations. To be hot, right? Tengo mucho calor. I'm hot. In this case, it's very hot. Tener hambre. To be hungry. Tengo mucha hambre. So I'm very hungry. And she's like, yes, I'm hungry. I'm very, very hungry. Ana y su hermana tienen hambre. Tener miedo. So in this case, to be afraid, right? She's afraid of the snake. Oh, yeah, serpiente. Carolina tiene miedo de la serpiente. So she is scared in this case. Tener cuidado. In this case, he is being careful. Pablo. He's careful. So to be careful. Pablo tiene cuidado al caminar en la calle. So Pablo is careful when he's walking on the street. Tener razón o no tener razón. This is when when we are right or we are wrong. Okay? And so in there, they're doing a little math. Uno y uno son dos. So she's saying 1 plus 1 is 2. And he's saying 2 plus 2 is 3. So she is right, he is wrong. ¿Quién tiene razón? La niña. La niña tiene razón. So she is right. El niño no tiene razón. Tener frío, right? So to be cold. La muchacha tiene frío. Tener sed. To be thirsty. Tengo mucha sed. Necesito un vaso de agua. So she's very thirsty and she needs a glass of water. Tener sueño. He is sleepy, right? I'm sleepy. And so Marcos tiene sueño. Marcos is sleepy. And he's saying that, or thinking, he needs to take a nap. Necesito tomar una siesta. Tener prisa. In this little example, she is in a hurry. So she's trying to catch the bus and maybe she's going to lose the bus, right? La señorita tiene mucha prisa. So she's saying, voy a perder el bus. So I'm going to lose the bus. And that's why she's in a hurry. She is running. Tener ganas. This is another one that it's very common to use in Spanish. It's like when we feel like doing something, okay? Normally something positive, something that we enjoy. For example, I feel like having an ice cream, right? Or I feel like going to the movies. And so, tener ganas. And in this case, Pablito, or Pepito, sorry, tiene ganas de jugar al béisbol. So, he feels like playing baseball. He's thinking about it and feeling like that's something that he would like to do. So, in our question here, ¿qué tienes en tu mochila? The things that he may have in his backpack, right? Like some type of possession of the things that he has in his backpack. And so he's gonna tell us that he has these 3 things. Un cuaderno, so tengo un cuaderno. I have a notebook, un lápiz, right here, a pen, y una botella de agua, and a water bottle. There's an example, a practice exercise that I also included in this presentation that we can use the appropriate form, the conjugations of the verb tener. And so I hope you can practice this as well, and then practice the concept. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoy this presentation, and we'll talk later. Ciao!